Hello friend, welcome to Entry app. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at Entry. So guys, yesterday NIACL announced AO 2021 post. Around 300 posts are there and I uploaded so many videos based on your queries. And some of them you have commented ki sir please make a video on what syllabus and paper pattern for the journalists. So guys, in this video I'll be covering the syllabus and paper pattern not only for the prelims examination but also for the mains examination. So guys, here we'll be discussing कि what will be the paper pattern of your prelims exam और mains exam. तो चलिए वीडियो शुरू करते हैं. सबसे पहले देखते हैं कि आपका पेपर पैटर्न है क्या prelims exam का. If we talk about the prelims exam, then guys, 3 sections are there: English language, reasoning ability, quantitative aptitude. All these sections are objective in nature, and from English language 30 question of 30 marks, 35 question of 35 marks in reasoning ability, and the same way 35 questions from the 35 marks in the quantitative aptitude section. सेक्शनल टाइमिंग है, नोट कंपोजिट टाइमिंग गाइस, प्लीज मार्क माय वर्ड. 20 मिनट का सेक्शनल टाइमिंग होगा और इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में पेपर होगा एक्सेप्ट फॉर द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज सेक्शन. नाउ गाइस लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द प्रीलिम मेंस लेवल एग्जामिनेशन. सो गाइस, मेंस का पैटर्न क्या होगा गाइस? मेंस का पैटर्न: टेस्ट ऑफ रीजनिंग, टेस्ट ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, टेस्ट ऑफ जनरल अवेयरनेस एंड टेस्ट ऑफ क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड. सो गाइस, दीज 4 सेक्शन विल बी देयर इन द एग्जामिनेशन. रीजनिंग से 50 क्वेश्चन और 50 मार्क्स, और आपका इंग्लिश से 50 क्वेश्चन और 50 मार्क्स, जनरल अवेयरनेस 50 क्वेश्चन और 50 मार्क्स, टेस्ट ऑफ क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड 50 क्वेश्चन ऑफ 50 मार्क्स. इस तरह से 200 क्वेश्चन होंगे फॉर द 200 मार्क्स. इंग्लिश और हिंदी लैंग्वेज सेक्शन होगा, लैंग्वेज होगा सभी सेक्शन का एक्सेप्ट फॉर द इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, वो केवल इंग्लिश में होगा. बात करें टाइमिंग की, सो गाइस नोट कंपोजिट टाइमिंग, सेक्शनल टाइमिंग है. यहां पर ध्यान दीजिएगा इस बात को कि सेक्शनल टाइमिंग है, ठीक है, और 2.5 आवर ड्यूरेशन का ये पूरा पेपर होगा. इसके अलावा गाइस बात करें कि आपका नेगेटिव मार्किंग, सो गाइस नेगेटिव मार्किंग 1/4 होगा, चाहे वो प्रीलिम्स हो चाहे वो मेंस हो. 1/4 मार्क विल बी डिडक्टेड फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. और फिर डेस्क्रिप्टिव टेस्ट भी है गाइस. योर ऑब्जेक्टिव टेस्ट जो कि होगा मेंस में, दैट विल बी फॉलोड बाय द डेस्क्रिप्टिव टेस्ट. वहां पर क्या होगा, ये एक 30 मिनट ड्यूरेशन का टेस्ट है जहां पर 30 मार्क्स का आपका इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज टाइप का एक टेस्ट होगा जिसमें आपको लेटर राइट करना होगा और ऐसे होगा. गाइस बेसिकली यहां पर क्या है, कोई भी एक लेटर आ सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, you gonna take leave from the bank or the company and you have to write an application or letter to your डिवीजन मैनेजर कि सर मेरे को छुट्टी दे दीजिए. इस तरह से आप लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. या आपकी शादी है, आप एक लेटर लिख रहे हैं, या फिर आप अपने माता पिता को या फिर अपने भाई बहन को कोई लेटर लिख रहे हैं, इस तरह से हो सकता है, ठीक है. या फिर आप किसी म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन में कोई शिकायत दर्ज कर रहे हैं लेटर के जरिए, वो हो सकता है. ऐसे की बात करें गाइस, ऐसे, सो ऐसे विल बी इंपॉर्टेंट, ऑल दोज इश्यूज विल बी इंपॉर्टेंट ऑन द करंट इवेंट्स. So guys, on current events you may have the essay. So current events are very important as far as essay is concerned. Now guys, let's talk about the syllabus. Not only for the prelims examination, this syllabus for guys prelims and mains. Let me write here prelims and mains for both the level examination. Data interpretation very important. Simplification, approximation, number series that covers either missing number or wrong number. Quadratic equation, quantity based problem, Q1 Q2 are very popular nowadays. Ratio, proportion, percentage and average, profit and loss, mixture and allegation, pipe and cistern, and time and work wages, both are important guys, both are equivalent. Okay, and boats and stream, simple interest and compound, it's a time and distance, and probability, permutation and combination. So guys, these are the important topics for your, not only for your prelims examination but also for the mains examination. Now let's see ki what are the important topics in your reasoning ability section for prelims as well as your mains examination. So guys, you all know that कि जैसे ही हम रीजनिंग का नाम लेते हैं, so one topic that comes in the mind, puzzle and sitting arrangement. So guys, sitting arrangement and all types of puzzles are important: circular, linear, square, rectangular, okay, triangular. So these are 2-row based sitting arrangement, single row based sitting arrangement. So these are very important. Coded inequalities, apart from the coded inequalities, simple inequalities are also important. Yeah, coded inequality become important for the mains examination. Logical reasoning also important. Order, ranking, direction alphabet test, ठीक है, direction sense test. Data sufficiency question, silox, blood relation, input output, coding decoding, Chinese based coding very popular in trend, and guys, alphanumeric series, number series, alphabet series. So guys, we deal with the 5 question at least in the examination from this topic. And guys, direction based questions, inequalities, direct and coded, I already told you. Okay, now let's talk about the English language, guys. Reading comprehension very important for the prelims as well as mains examination. Although in the prelims level examination you will have you will have less number of question as compared to the mains examination, but yeah, it is important for both the examination. Close test, fill in the blanks, error spotting or new pattern based error spotting, sentence correction, sentence improvement, para jumbles, para summary, odd one out, find the odd one out, and para completion are very important. Apart from that, guys, phrase replacement is also important. Let me write here, phrase replacement is also important for the, not only for the prelims, guys, but also for the mains examination. Now one of the most awaited section ki what to read in the general awareness. So guys, general awareness asked in mains examination. So guys, all the current events like current summits, books and authors, awards, sports, defense, national and international relations, appointment, okay, obituary, banking awareness. So guys, these are the all the current events that you must know. Banking awareness section, Indian financial system, history of Indian banking industry, regulatory bodies, monetary and credit policies, current budget basics, and guys, international organization, financial institution, capital market and money market, that was added in NIACL syllabus, and government schemes, abbreviation and economic terminologies, other important concepts, and guys, abbreviation and economic terminologies. So guys, let me tell you ki all the banking awareness that is based on the current events. So let me write here ki current events based on बैंकिंग अवेयरनेस बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू शुड नो कि व्हाट इज द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी टूल्स लाइक कैश रिजर्व रेशियो, रिवर्स रेपो रेट और आपका बैंक रेट्स, ऑल दीज थिंग्स यू मस्ट नो. And apart from that, all the operations like capital market, money market, you must know, guys. So these are the banking awareness basic. I have to write here ki basics of banking awareness. Basics of banking awareness you must know, guys. Although this is not mentioned in the syllabus कि आपको इंश्योरेंस पढ़ना है, क्योंकि वहां पर जनरल अवेयरनेस मेंशन है. So guys, what you need to do, you just need to focus on the basics of banking awareness, all the basics of banking awareness, and current events based on banking awareness. Apart from that, your current events are very important, guys. So this is what, guys, I wanted to discuss with you. I hope कि आपके समझ में आ गया होगा कि what is the examination pattern going to be and what is the syllabus going to be that you have to target for your examination. This is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the examination, guys. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much.